Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Windows 10 directly from the official Microsoft website, safe, original, and completely free. First, check the link in the description below. That will take you to the official Microsoft download page. Once the page opens, select Windows 10. Now, you will see an option called Create Windows 10 Installation Media. This is the media creation tool, which allows you to download Windows 10 easily. Click on Download Now, and wait for the file to download. After downloading, open the tool. If you see a permission window, click Yes. Now accept the license terms to continue. On the next screen, make sure to select Create Installation Media. Then click Next. Here you can choose your language, edition, and architecture. If you want, you can uncheck Use Recommended Options to customize it. Click Next again. Now you will see two options, USB flash drive and ISO file. Select ISO file, because we want to download the Windows 10 ISO directly. Click Next, then choose a location on your computer to save the file. Now the download will start. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, your Windows 10 ISO file will be ready to use. You can use it to install Windows, create a bootable USB, or run it on a virtual machine. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded Windows 10 from the official Microsoft website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.